Subscribe to Curious Knock and Learn for more fun learning videos, art and craft activities, nursery rhymes, and kids' educational adventures.
Today we are playing the sink or float game.
Let's fill the tub with water.
Will the duck float or sink? I hope it floats. Me too. It floated.
Will the rock float or sink?
Sink. Float. Sink.
Yes, the rock sinks.
Will the spoon float or sink? The spoon sinks in the water. Oh no, look, the spoon sinks because it is heavy metal. Will the leaf float or sink? The leaf floats on the water. Yay! Wow!
Will the ball float or sink? Guess with me.
The ball floats on the water.
It is light and filled with air. Will the sponge float or sink?
The sponge floats first, then slowly sinks. Look!
Will the toy car float or sink? The toy car sinks because it is heavy. Will the ice cube float or sink? The ice cube floats and slowly melts in water.
Will the key float or sink? The key sinks because it is made of metal. Will the feather float or sink?
The feather floats because it is very light. Will the coin float or sink? The coin sinks because it is heavy metal.
Will the plastic bottle float or sink? The plastic bottle floats because it has air inside.
Floating things stay on top of the water. Look how fast they're sinking. Wow, even the heavy rock. Wow, what a fun experiment. Now we know what floats and what sinks. See you next time, scientists.
Subscribe to Curious Knock and Learn for more fun learning videos, art and craft activities,